So let's make autocomplete work, shall we? So like I've shown in the previous video, for example, the firewall CMD add and many others. For example, if I try to do if I try to do systemctl and I don't know, enable, it's not working. Nothing of that sort is working. So what am I missing here? Well, this is a very simple install of, in this case, Rocky Linux, all right? So it's kind of a minimal install. So I need to do the following. If you don't know by heart, you just need to do something of this sort. You just do DNF search, and so I don't know, complete will be good enough. Since this is the first time I'm using this, it take a while, okay? And it's not showing, so it's not helping. It's not helping much. So let's search for bash, and I have there bash completion. Okay, so it's not complete, it's completion. Okay, completion. It's slightly different grammar, so it doesn't look. But basically, in a nutshell, this is what you need to install: bash completion. Okay, so just do dnf install bash completion. This is enough. You let it rip, you say yes, and it's just doing its thing. Cool. Now, if I do firewall cmd, and again --add, it's not working proper. That's because it's not loaded. So the quickest way to do this, it's the way I do it to save some time. You just log out of your terminal, log back in, and everything should be readily loaded. Let me load this. Okay. I'm just like logging in. You can see that there's nothing special here too. Then I just can do, well, I can use as root, but you don't have to be root. And I don't know how to type my own password. And you just do firewalls, cmd --add service, and there you have it. And you can also do systemctl --enable. Not minus enable and da. So what did I do here? I just installed the bash completion. Okay, I just installed the bash completion package, and we are good to go. Let me know if you have any comments. Like, subscribe, hype, and comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Next quickie or otherwise. Thanks.